In this video, I'll show you how to fix the can't log into Pokémon Champions issue. If you're unable to log in, start with the basics. Make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly, then restart your device and try again. Next, check if the game servers are online. If the servers are down or under maintenance, you may not be able to log in until they are restored. Also, make sure you're using the correct login method, such as your linked Nintendo or game account. Double-check your email and password for any mistakes. If the issue continues, clear the game cache or restart the app completely. Close the game from recent apps and relaunch it. You can also try updating the game to the latest version, as older versions may have login issues or compatibility problems. If nothing works, reinstall the game. Uninstall it, then download it again from the official store and sign in once more. And that's how to fix the can't log into Pokémon Champions issue. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.